morning sa lahat. So share ko lang yung Benetech brand na gas manometer model GM510. So ito kasi minsan nawawala sa calibration. So share ko lang kung paano kinakalibrate. Okay, so press lang ng power switch on. Then pag nag-on na sa screen, press natin yung differential button. So may lalabas na pressure difference dyan sa screen, and then saka natin i-press and hold yung hold button at saka itong backlight. Then antayin natin na lumabas yung single zero dyan, right? So try natin switch on, then press differential, so differential pressure, then hold yung dalawang button. Hanggang sa lumabas yung 0. Alright. So, exit na natin. Hold. And differential. Ayan. So, 0, 0 na siya. Check natin yung mga units of measurement. Ayan. So, puro 0 na. Ayan. So, calibrated na yan. So, off. On natin ulit. Alright, so yan. So, yeah. So, yun lang. Ganun lang kabilis mag-calibrate. So, switch on, press differential button, press and hold yung backlight and hold button, then wait na lumabas yung single zero. Then after that, release, then back to normal na siya. Alright, so that's all guys.